Here and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use PPC Kit to build out campaigns to discover which keywords lead to a conversion, and then how to create a winning campaign based on the results that we've received. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously do your keyword research, and I believe I've already done a video on that, which you can see in the Facebook feed. But I've already done my keyword research and I've created my ad copy for this test. So first things first, you're going to need to put together your landing page. This is the landing page layout that I tend to go with whenever I want to generate leads, and in exchange for some sort of a free guide or some sort of a lead magnet. So this is the website that we'll be driving traffic to. Now, it's a water fasting guide. I will put some links below for you to download this exact template, so that way you don't have to figure it out the hard way. You can just use this template. I believe we have the templates for Thrive Architect and Elementor if you're using those drag and drop website builders. So first things first, we need to log into our PPC Kit account. Okay, so once you've logged into your PPC Kit account, just go ahead and click the Create button under Search Campaigns, and then start adding the URL. So the URL we're going to send traffic to is this URL. So I'll just go ahead and paste that in there. Okay, so for the campaign name, I usually put search D for discovery, because this is the campaign we're using to discover what works and what doesn't work. And then the name of the campaign, Water Fasting Guide Magnet. Let's call that lead magnet. And let's say we're going to target USA. We can change this later on once we go into the Google Ads editor. But for now, let's just go ahead and put United States. Tick this box, continue. Now, I've already got my search terms, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab these keywords, copy them and paste them in here. And then I'm going to click Create Scag. I'm going to go with just ticking this box and leaving the modified broad phrase and exact. And then I'm going to click Continue. Now, my initial bid, I think I'll start with, say, 10 cents per click, depending on what niche you're in. Obviously that will vary, and I'm going to put, say, I don't know, $40 per day on this case study budget. Select manual cost per click, click continue. Now, as I said, I've already got my my ad copy, so I'm just going to quickly go ahead and just paste all of this in. So headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, my description, and description 2. Okay, now I'm going to add the next variation. The next variation has a different headline 1, and I believe it has a different headline 3. That's the difference. Okay, so then now I've got 2 variations ready to go, and all I need to do now is click these boxes here. And what this is going to do is it's going to dynamically insert the keywords that we're targeting into the actual ad copy once the campaign is running. So I usually just tick these first 3 tick boxes, and that will add it to the headline 1, and then there's another with headline 2 variation, another with headline 3 variation. So once you've created, say, 2 variations of your own and then tick these 3 boxes, that means each ad group will have 5 ad variations. So I'll go ahead and click continue. Okay, so we'll just review the campaign here. Daily budget 40, perfect. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and click export. Okay, so PPC Kit is now creating the campaign in the background. It's creating all the ad groups, the ads, adding all the keywords in, and it should send me an email shortly. Or you can actually click this link here once it's finished, and it should appear in the export section. Okay, great. So as you can see, it's already done. PPC Kit has created the campaign. Now, if you go to your inbox, you'll also see the download link to download the campaign. So you can either get it from the export history section, or you can get it from the email address that you have registered in PPC Kit. So I'll just go ahead and click download my campaign. Now that's going to go ahead and download the campaign to my computer. Now the next thing I will do is I will go to the Google Ads editor, and then I'll just quickly go ahead and import this campaign. I believe it's that one. Okay, great. So it looks like it's created 938 ad groups. It's added 2,814 keywords. The reason why this is greater than that the ad group number is because of the different keyword match types: phrase match, modified broad match, and exact match in single keyword ad group format. And as you can see here, it's created 5,628 adverts. So I'll go ahead and click finish and review. So here's my campaign. I'm just going to double click on that, and I'm just going to quickly check a few things here, make sure everything's okay. Okay, so all the ads are in place, expanded. There's no errors, which is great. Okay, so as you can see, all of the ad groups are in. Now, all I need to do now is click keep, and then I will click post at the top right hand corner here. So let's go ahead and post this campaign. Okay, let's post the ads. Okay, so as you can see, it's found 3 errors on the keyword section. And that's a good thing about uploading via the Google Ads editor. It will detect where the error is and prevent it from actually being uploaded to your account. And this is very good because if you were to directly publish inside of Google AdWords and you get a lot of disapprovals, it's just not very good for your account. And the Google Ads editor also acts as a filter to make sure that you're not uploading any keywords that might be related to pharmaceutical or gambling or something that, Google might not approve of. So that's the good thing about uploading via the Google Ads editor. Okay, so I'm just going to click close, and let's just go ahead and have a look what these errors were. Okay, so that's exactly what's happened. Your keyword list appears, as you can see down here, your keyword list appears to contain pharmacy-related content, and it's prevented it from being uploaded to the account, which is really, really good, because the last thing you want is, a lot of disapprovals on your Google AdWords account. So the Google Ads editor has detected this and prevented it from being uploaded, which is exactly what we want. So let's go ahead and head on over to our Google Ads account. So I'm just going to right click and click reload. Let's refresh this page. Now, as you can see, it's posted the campaign directly to my Google AdWords account. Okay, so as you can see, it's created all of the ad groups. So if I were to go to just one of these keywords, 3-day water fast, as you can see, it's created the 3 different match types in a single keyword ad group. So we have the broad modified match, the phrase match, and the exact match. And if I were to go to the ads, you'll notice that here are the ad variations that have been added to this particular ad group. And if I were to go to another ad group, let's just so you can see, let's just select this one. and then I click on ads and extensions, you'll see that every ad group has multiple variations to be split tested against each other. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause this video, and when I come back, it'll be, I'll let it run for 24 hours. As you can see, ads are already starting to be approved. So I'll let it run for 24 hours, and then I will show you the second part of my process of exactly what I do to create a winning campaign. So this is actually the discovery campaign. The purpose of this campaign is to discover what works and what doesn't work. Now, once we have those discoveries, we will then create a winning campaign to reduce the cost per conversion and so forth. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be back. I'm going to pause this video, and when I come back, I'm going to show you the results that we achieved and then what to do with the data once we have it.
Yeah, and apologies for the delay in posting this third video, as I've had some back-to-back travels in the past few weeks. But the campaign has been running in the background, generating leads every single day. Now, if you haven't seen part 1 or part 2 of this case study, I've posted the links below in the description for you. So just to recap, in the first part, we created the discovery campaign to discover search terms that led to an actual conversion. And in the second video, we created the winners campaign, and this campaign was based from the results we received in the discovery campaign. And in this video, you get to see the results produced since we started. So before I jump into the stats of this campaign, let's jump into Aweber now to see how many leads we've generated so far. And as you can see, we've generated 339 leads since we started the case study. Now let's go back to the AdWords account. And as you can see in this winners campaign, almost all of the ad groups that generated clicks have multiple conversions. Whereas with the discovery campaign we previously set up, there were many ad groups that costed money in clicks but never led to a conversion. So in this new winners campaign, I can have the peace of mind knowing that if I wanted to scale this budget, I'm certain that the clicks received will produce results. So with this winners campaign, the click-through rate is at 20.22% on average. The average cost per click is just 9 cents and the cost per lead is just 91 cents. So what I could do now to monetize this email list is start promoting health-related offers or water fasting programs. Now, if I wanted to improve this campaign even more, the next thing I would do is simply look at the ad groups that have a high cost per conversion and create a new landing page to split test different headlines and body copy. For example, how to water fast and water fasting benefits have a much higher cost per conversion than other ad groups. So I would simply duplicate the existing landing page and add these keywords into the main headlines to see if that helps reduce the cost per conversion for these search terms. So that's all for this video. Go ahead and start creating a campaign for your business, following these simple steps to start generating leads, sales, and clients. And please let me know when you start getting results, and also let me know if you need any help. Thanks for watching.
Now, the first thing I'd want to know is which search terms led to an actual conversion. So I would click on keywords, and then I would click on search terms, and then I would make sure that the table is sorted by conversions. Now, as you can see here, there were many search terms that actually led to a conversion, and the first two led to a lot more than others, and as I scroll down, there'll be a few more that did not lead to any conversions at all. So let's go back to the first page. Let's scroll up to the top and click download. Okay, so once you've downloaded the search term report, what we need to do now is sort it by conversions. So let me just quickly do that now. Let's select everything, sort, and then go to conversions, largest to smallest, and click OK. Okay, so now we can see from top to bottom which search terms led to a conversion. Now what I would like to do is just quickly remove the search terms that didn't produce any results at all. So I'm just going to click delete on that. And I'm going to keep this file open because I'm going to need these keywords later when I create the winners campaign in PPC Kit. Now the next thing we need to do is see which ads produce the best results. So I'll do that by clicking on ads and extensions, So I'll just sort that by conversions, and as you can see, these ads produced the most leads, these two at the top. Now if we sort it by conversion rate, you will see that some ads had a higher conversion rate than others, but I don't think this is enough data to go by. So let's just sort it by clicks. So as you can see, it looks like over here, the advertisement with dynamic keyword insertion in headline 2 had the best result at 23% conversion. Now you can dig a lot deeper on locations if you like, but for now we're just going to run with the search terms and the adverts that produce the best result so we can create our winners campaign. So once you've got this data, simply head on over to PPC Kit and log in. Okay, so let's go through the same process we did in the discovery campaign, but this time we're only going to use the search terms and the adverts that produce results from our initial test. So let's grab the URL and let's go through this process again. Now for the campaign name, I'm going to call it Search W for Winners Water Fasting Guide Lead Magnet. Okay, so we want to target the United States and click continue. Now let's go back to the search term report and let's copy these search terms. Remember, these are the ones that have actually produced the result, and let's paste them in here. And in this section, I want to click Create Scag, but I want to untick Modified Broad and untick Phrase. We only want to create single keyword ad groups with the exact match type. Once you've done this, click Continue. Let's add the same settings as we did previously. So 10 cents per click, daily budget of $40. And click Continue. Now in this section, we want to create the adverts that produce the best results. Okay, so let's grab the advert. Let's copy that, add it to the headline. Okay, headline 2, headline 3, the description, and this time we're only going to add the dynamic keyword insertion in headline 2. So I'm only going to tick this box and then I'll click Continue. Okay, so let's review and then click Export. Okay, so just like before, PPC Kit will now create the campaign in the background and send you an email with the download link, or you can click here to see your export history. So I'll just head on over to my email, click Download My Campaign, and my winners campaign is downloaded. So once you've downloaded it to your computer, simply head on over to the Google Ads editor. Then simply click on Account, Import from File, and select the file that you just downloaded. Once you've done that, click Finish and review changes. Okay, so now we have the Search Discovery campaign and the Search Winners campaign lead magnet. Okay, so now all we need to do is click Post. Okay, so once again, it's detected an error. So let's head on over to keywords. Let's sort by the error. And as you can see, there's a keyword in here that it's refusing to post. So let's go ahead and delete that because it has pharmacy related content because it has cure diabetes in there. Okay, so let's head on over to our Google AdWords account. And as you can see, the Search Winners campaign is now activated. Okay, so I'm going to let this run for another 24 to 48 hours, and when I come back with part 3 of this series, I'm going to show you the differences and the results that we've achieved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll be showing you how to use the Google Keyword Planner to find the right keywords you'd like to target. Now, as I'm making this video, it's April 2019, and there's been some new updates to the Keyword Planner, so let's quickly go through them. You can now add more seed keywords. Previously, you could only add up to 3 keywords, but now you can enter up to 10 seed keywords when searching for new keyword ideas. Grouped ideas. You can use grouped ideas to manage multiple keyword ideas, view keywords by theme, or add the set as an ad group in your plan. Keyword trends. View monthly keyword trends for individual keyword ideas. Hover over the chart in the ideas table or download trends directly. Save an idea to an existing campaign. You can now add a keyword idea to an existing campaign you've already created. Suggested budget. You'll now see a suggested daily budget based on the maximum cost per click bid and forecasted cost. And finally, the new competition value column, which allows you to get more granular competition rankings across all of your keyword ideas. Now, this tool is fairly straightforward to use, and I've placed a link to the keyword planner in the resources section on this lesson page, along with a step-by-step PDF to guide you through the process. Okay, so let's get started. To access the keyword planner, simply sign into your Google Ads account. In the upper right corner, click the Tools icon. Then under Planning, click Keyword Planner. Now all you need to do is type or paste up to 10 keywords in the Find New Keyword search box, and on your keyboard, press Enter after each one. You can either add words or phrases that describe what you're advertising, or you can add the URL of a web page or entire website that's related to your business. Once you've done this, click the Get Started button to get new keyword ideas and historical statistics, like average monthly searches or competition data. Now with these results, you can use the Keyword Ideas page to filter your results by keyword text, average monthly searches, top of bid for low and high ranges, competition, organic impression share, ad impression share, or exclude keywords that are already in your ad account. For example, if you want to exclude the word free from the results so you can avoid all the freebie seekers, simply click near the Add Filter section, select Keyword Text, click the drop-down and select Does Not Contain, and enter the search term you want removed from the list. So in this example, any phrases with the word free will not be included in the keyword ideas list. In this list, you can see search volume data for your keyword ideas by date range. See visualizations broken down by search volume trends, platforms, and locations. And you can add keywords to your plan to get forecasts broken down by location, language, or network settings. Once you're happy with the results, simply download your keyword ideas to your computer so that you have them stored for when you're ready to create your ad campaigns. And that's how easy it is to research keyword ideas for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.